If you want a good workout, clear brush. Yeah, a couple of hours of Yopon clearing is as good as an hour of bike riding. It's a good workout.
We enjoy being outside and working really hard.
I'm Gary Kocurek,
I'm Diana Kocurek.
and we're on the Fayette farm, just about in the middle of the Fayette Prairie. Our house is sort of unique for this area. I think it's the only castle on the Fayette Prairie. We are smaller acreage. Half of it or a little more is savanna, and the other half is restored prairie.
So we grew up in the big city, but the wide open spaces attracted both of us. And so when we reached a point in our life, we moved out to this place.
We got into prairie restoration by discovering, one, you could do it, two, bringing a biologist out here to give you some guidance on how to do it. We said, okay, what can we do with our small portion?
They put a lot of work into this property. They've done some native prairie work on the uplands, and then in the woodlands, they've done a tremendous amount of understory clearing. We're close to I-10 and also to another major highway. It's constantly cars kind of going up and down the road. As part of fragmentation, this native grass prairie in this part of the state, millions of acres have been lost. And in order to fix fragmentation, kind of like eating an elephant, you have to just do one bite at a time.
A lot of these new landowners, they're interested in native prairies. The idea of wildflowers outside their back porch sounds good.
The Kocureks are founders of the Fayette chapter of the Native Prairie Association of Texas. They're kind of like evangelists. Parks and Wildlife can go out and talk to landowners, but usually it takes a landowner seeing what another landowner did to really bring it together.
You know, you learn very quickly you can't go back in time, but you can make a pretty reasonable habitat.
What brings us joy here is being out in nature. It's not just for us, it's for, those, again, that come after us.
You know, it's not hard to envision that in the future we could have this as a public, open prairie savanna. We can see down the road.